Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just remember to keep your grill lid off while your coals are being lit because the more airflow the better. If you close the lid during this lighting process, you will kill the fire and have to start over.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Among them are wind, outside temperature, the thickness of your grill, smoker walls, and the type of fuel you use. Charcoal briquettes are usually formulated to burn for about 1 hour at a steady temperature, generally hotter than smoking temperatures.
Take our lead.
If your grill is full of ashes from previous grilling sessions, it can impede the proper flow of air inside of the kettle, which makes the coals burn cooler. If enough ash builds up, it can make it next to impossible to get the coals to stay lit.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Remove top grate from grill, place chimney inside, and light the newspaper. But how long should you let the coals burn? Let the charcoal or briquettes burn until they're covered with white-gray ash. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the coals to get to high heat and 25 to 30 minutes to get to medium heat.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Should I open or close my grill lid when starting charcoal? The lid should be open while you arrange and light your charcoal. Once the coals are well lit, close the lid. Most charcoal grills are hotter right after lighting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.